standing outside our cooking class. We're gonna go learn how to cook Indian food. Not the American Indian food, the real Indian food. We're here at Shashi cooking class in Udaipur, India.
1, 2.
So you can see this is real cow milk. It's curding on the top.
Yeah. 4 and 5. Okay, 5 person. You like half milk, half water, more milk, less water, your choice. This one is black tea. So per cup 1 spoon. So how many?
She's got 5.
5. You pass.
Passed, Wing.
Oh, good.
You moved to the head of the class.
4 and 5.
There's basil in it, isn't that cool?
I love basil.
My choice today.
He does
1,
not. He doesn't
two,
eat sugar. Very,
three,
very little.
4
amounts of sugar.
and 5. You have no powder, cardamom, ginger, black pepper and cloves.
This one is
Ginger?
Yeah.
And ginger.
2, 3, 4 and 5.
Yeah.
How many cardamom?
2 times 5, 10.
Ginger is warm. Summer less, winter more.
Muddle action going on here. You know how to muddle.
I think looks good.
No, you got a lot more to go.
Hard work.
Yeah, it is hard work.
As sweet as the chai is, as hard as the work.
You have to work for that chai.
Enough.
You know? Looks good.
80%.
80%. About 20% of the time.
Yeah.
I think she's being nice to you.
Oh, wow. That smell. Oh, that is so aromatic.
Oh wow, it smells better.
It's so fresh.
Everything.
Yeah.
Fresh and strong.
And Guran.
Good.
Speak little bit Hindi. Today I speak little bit Germany.
Yeah. So now we wait.
Yeah.
And
slow.
Whoa. You got that down.
Yeah.
The more you are going to boil it, the more flavor and more color it's going to get.
How long do you boil for the best flavor?
3 minutes.
So now we wait.
Yeah.
When you leave India, you're gonna
So
be a
every
perfectionist Thai. First time.
And when we are putting the fresh masala in the tea, we always bring it to a boil first and then we put the fresh masala because of the ginger's juice.
Reuse.
You reuse.
Yeah.
How many times?
Twice.
Oh, thank you.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad.
Thank you.
Oh, it's the
Sweet.
best
Oh,
I've
sweet, my
had.
favorite.
Tasty.
Yeah, so fresh.
And the milk is really creamy.
Yeah.
It's definitely different than our processed milk that we get in America. I don't even think our milk is milk anymore.
But it's the best from Nepal and India
Yeah.
that I've had.
Excuse me, onion
Yes.
please.
Oh, yeah.
5 minutes, keep it water, so no crying.
You put it in water, no cry.
Cold water, 5 minutes. Then after you dry and cutting, chopping, so never crying.
There you go.
Oh,
that's a
Flavor
good
is same,
tip.
no flavor change.
Oh, I'm gonna have to try that.
Yeah.
She's always complaining that I'm making her cry because of nuggets.
He chops onion and I just
What are we cooking today?
Pakora.
Oh, okay, yes.
I teach many things.
Yes.
Many
Oldest.
So this one is
great.
chickpea flour. Chickpea flour you call kicker option man.
You saw that in the spice market yesterday, the chickpea flour.
In England people call gram flour. Same name.
We're going to grind the garlic and ginger for the pakora. We are going to prepare the basic batter. In that batter, you can put anything you want. Today, we are going to make 3 kinds of pakoras. One, potato. The second is onion. And the third one is mixed vegetable pakora. With the same batter. But everything goes raw. Even the chicken goes raw.
Oh.
But the chicken pieces are smaller.
Okay.
Not the bigger pieces. Chicken, fish, anything. Mix it with the batter and
Good training.
Don't let that garlic beat you.
Chickpea flour.
Just grab a
One,
handful.
1 handful is for 2
Two.
persons.
Okay.
and half and good luck.
You always know a real cook when they don't measure.
Half thumb,
Yes.
1 hand, easy, no gram. To make on cinnamon, so garam masala, turmeric, curcuma, cumin and black pepper. Chili powder, oregano seed, any coriander powder.
Coriander powder.
That's what it is.
All spicy together, fried and roasted, then mixer blender.
All together.
Sunflower oil. Indian no use olive oil.
No olive oil.
Oil use again.
How many times?
1 week.
Till it gets dirty. You can usually use a coffee filter to strain it too to make it last longer.
1 hand, 1 cup, 1 pinch. Now I use 2.5 cups. So how many pinch garam masala?
2.5.
A pinch?
Classic
Yeah,
example.
2.5.
Little Indian woman showing
Indian women no go in gym.
Big German guy, little Indian
She
lady.
doesn't need to go to the gym.
No problem.
So you're making little
Yeah,
balls?
ball. Yeah, ball.
The kitchen has to get
Yes.
dirty while cooking, right?
Messy kitchen is good.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Don't tell that to him. I have to clean everything.
Oh, I am a mess in the kitchen.
Especially with tomato sauce. Always looks.
Oh, everything.
Today I am making chutney, so I use lemon juice. So this one, mango powder.
Strong, you know. Just
Yeah.
Whoa, that was not what I was expecting. I was expecting.
Oh, smell it
I
though.
was expecting sweet. It's tart, very tart.
Yeah.
Almost like lime.
Mango powder and water, no oil. Just water and powder boiling.
So 3/4 of a cup of water.
we stir it off the gas so that there are no lumps, and then we put it on the gas.
This one is just boiling. Water absorbed, chutney thick. Then salt, chili, sugar and anise.
Sometimes.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm beating the anise way. It's not easy.
You like, so you can dip also. Or you make like that.
Oh, that's the mango chutney and the...
Coriander chutney.
Tastes quite different to what you get in the restaurant.
Oh, I'm sure.
I do want to try. Should I just dip in
Yeah,
and
just dip in.
just go for it?
Yeah.
Wow. The green
Shake.
sauce.
Yes.
That's amazing, right?
Oh, it's so amazing. A little bit of the heat, but then you get all the cilantro.
And I'm actually mixing both.
A little sweet and spicy. You can taste the mango now. But like before, when you tried it as a powder, it was too sour. Yeah.
It's like homemade.
Yeah.
Homemade always tastes better.
Yeah.
All right. This is like a really, I mean, I don't want to call it a barbecue sauce, but it almost tastes like a barbecue sauce to me. Like a spicy, sweet barbecue sauce. But I love the taste of the cilantro. I'm also a cilantro eater. Go for a big dip. I think the mango chutney is my favorite though. I really like the cilantro one, but this one's really good.
Actually, you can eat the mango chutney with so many different things.
Yeah,
This one you could even just put on bread.
Like I can see that as a jam. Okay, one more and then I'm gonna stop. Well, I probably won't.